Do a cold start video here on the 57 Ford Thunderbird, baby bird, last year of production. And this one's got a 401 Nailhead in it. 79.5 on the intake, 77.5 on the headers, 78.5 water pump. She's cold. Does have a manual choke, 4-speed transmission. See, oil pressure is right about 40. Temp cold. Idling about 800. Voltage about 3/4 of a tank of fuel. No exhaust leaks, no ticking lifters. Sounds really good, and this motor definitely doesn't have many miles on it. Paint hasn't even started to burn off. Ready for a new owner. Sweet looking ride. One of these guys you just push down on each side. Don't slam the hoods. Releases indoors inside the cabin.